First time doing porn, yeah.
You ever sucked dick before?
Alright. Turn that to do not disturb. Like it gets messages anyway. Alright, welcome back everyone. We've got a special video today because this is not any standard shard bus video. This one is with a new Toyota, and I'd like to introduce fellow Mobsters member that hasn't been on camera yet because he's too busy to come hang out with us.
I'm AFK.
It's Jordan, everybody.
Hello, this is Better Shard Bus 2.0.
This is Jordan's Chaser today. We're going to give it some TLC that's been long overdue. Do you want to give everyone a quick rundown on said Chaser?
On the car.
Yeah.
I don't know
Just the headlines.
I don't know what there is to say. It's a Chaser. I've had it for like 5 years. She's a 10-footer. Good from far from good. It's got turbo, ECU, whatever. But today, hopefully today, the course of the period, she's getting some subframe love. Front, rear, everything. She can be mint.
New bushes,
subframe bracing. Hoping to tackle a few more side quests while I'm pulling things out. So we're gonna get her looking and feeling right today.
it's going to be good, mate.
Yeah.
It's been a long time coming, yeah. 25-year-old bushes vanished.
Yeah.
Time for some new stuff.
Yeah, there's no more Togan, and then Jeff look over, he's like, oh, how are the ball joints? 200 thou on them.
I can look at the diff bushes, mate.
Yeah.
Green, I'm tired, bolts.
Yeah, this is going to be screaming that as we're pulling them out.
Alright, let's get to work. I'll try and get something out today.
Yeah, worst case, we'll pull some wheels off and we'll let you know how that goes.
Yeah, that look good. Fuck yeah.
Oh, that would be bucket.
What's that film?
It's alright.
It's a traction motor.
Yeah, actually, it's not a bad idea, eh? Hang on, let me do the same.
Throw these boys in the grippy.
Put them in all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive engaged.
Chuck these motherfuckers into low range.
There we go.
Alright.
Right, don't come down my fingers, boot.
How high is that?
It's on it.
It's on enough.
You get the jack under that?
We need like that much.
Need a beat it. There's your diff, mate.
Mate, Bluetooth diff.
Well, we're up. Yeah, hey. It's a gap. There's a gap.
Me good old
He's knacked our pit stop.
me Audi fucking impact wrench. When I was doing the Skoda wheels at tyres, fucking I totally forgot there were lug bolts. I'm sitting here just wheels
just
off
went dong.
straight on the foot, and I'm like, fuck.
Ah, nice.
Bro, me and me fucking tyre shine.
Yeah, extra greasy, mate.
Yeah. Probably just going off everything on this car. Everything's fucking knackered.
Yeah.
Mate, auto chaser with suspiciously grippy diff.
Grippy. Grippy.
Not sure repair. It'll work. I think I cracked that. I did. How many bolts are we going to strip today, bro?
At least 2.
Starting off with almost 1. Calling it by like lunchtime, which is like now. I think what I'm curious to see is the condition of these rear pads.
Mid.
2020.
Yeah. One of them fuckers. Feed it through one of the bolt holes. Look at that, mate. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
right. Don't want that to happen.
Should be free run, you know. Hey!
Well, hey,
There you go. Look at players making plays.
we're on one, brother.
Look at that shit.
Was about to make life so much harder for myself.
Just character building in it, mate.
Look at you agreeing.
Damn, mate, it's a good point, eh?
Double, ain't it? Hell yeah.
Come on, mate.
It's too easy.
That's too easy.
Sounds right. Come on, man.
It's too easy.
So easy. Oh fuck, that's way too fucking big.
A little bit of road in there, eh, mate?
Mate, got that 255 semi-slick fucking rock catch and shit going on.
Yeah. Off polished tips, mate.
Polished tips.
What about the rest of them?
Shout out my old steel.
Do we turn it back on now? Eh?
Mate.
Boom.
Throw some couples back in, I'll give my fucking droning. I'll right off my carpet in the process.
Yeah.
I gotta get your way, don't sound straight.
Oh, he's got it. Boss.
Boss. Boss. Sounds great. I hold it up in one direction. Sounds great.
Love that, bro. It's like, oh yeah, working. It's like, oh come on, man. Throw
Yeah.
more than just that.
Working, wife, kids, you know, married, whatever.
Nah, it's just jorking.
Just jorking it.
What do you want me to do? Just straight jorking it all the time. Like, yeah, man.
Of course. Alright. Just realised what you said and I hate you for it.
I said that to Mum when we were putting the diff back in, and then the last bolt fucking spun.
Like, the diff.
Yeah.
Like, mum, as in like your mum.
Yeah. She's like, oh, you going out there today? I was like, oh, it's been pretty good. It's been straightforward so far. Then yeah, last bolt fucking spun. He's like, Goldie, just keep tightening, bro.
Goldie's just fucking crunk as fuck.
He's like, bro.
Yeah, I can imagine Goldie was thrilled at the news that you just gave him.
Yeah. Oh, he was there. He was the one that fucking spun the bolt.
Oh, it's not even your fault, mate.
Yeah, I was like, oh, just keep tightening her, mate. She'll come good.
Should be right, mate.
She'll work on 2 bolts.
Mate, I've seen people probably run on less.
Yeah. I'm impressed yours has got all of them in it.
I'm impressed with a lot of this car. It's had the weirdest life, but like,
Still got all its bolts.
the owner did enough to make it weird, but not enough to fuck the car. Yeah. I'm intrigued to get this subframe out and see how...
Thing's got a more pissed off diff than an S chassis in a fucking Commodore.
Yeah. Thing's probably got like a D1 GP rated fucking diff in it.
But at the same time, Bush is fucking 220 thou old. So when he took the diff out, he's like, no, I ain't putting new bushes in.
Ah, fuck with no bushes.
straight. Sound straight.
I had them just finger loose. I said probably just struggling. I was like, probably you meant to loose ones. Half hanging out.
Sound straight.
Sweet barley.
Sound straight. Sound straight. Sound straight. Sound straight. Sound straight. Sound straight.
Mate, prestigious moment.
Toyota welding at its finest.
That's a
Look at
madness, bro. That's a madness.
Sound straight.
Bluetooth drive shaft.
Oh, she done some breathing out the diff, mate.
Yeah, I was looking at that
Oh,
before.
I'm getting in my own shadow. There we go.
Something's been going on in the diff.
Oh, look at all the cake, mate. Yeah, you got to make. I know you stocked up on degreasers, but you might
Oh,
need to
mate.
replenish those, bro.
She's getting a birthday and a half, I'll tell you that.
God damn, bro. Now, here's a bit I wanted to admire, mate. I can look at them.
Mate, windowed my own fucking bushing.
Whoa.
Mate, isn't it crazy that NA one.
Sound straight. Sound straight. Sound straight. Sound straight. Sound straight. Sound straight. Sound straight.
It's funny, isn't it? Like,
They're not as fucked.
yeah, like
They're definitely the worst, bro, out of all these.
like it makes sense why, you know, like Camrys do like 500,000 OEM bushings. So like they're not that
Nah.
like fucked.
No, the diff ones give it a bad rap. The rest of
Yeah.
them aren't too bad.
Yeah, like the diff ones are the worst, but like even all like the suspension arms, they're not horrible.
Yeah.
So like this one windowed, but
Sound straight.
Yeah, look at that.
you.
Hold on, mate. Get some gains here, mate. Get some gains. Oh, nice.
right being like, oh, if it doesn't have chrome in the name, it's no good. Just gotta look chrome. Mate, the fucking $80 Imp Home Hardware gear wrench set. I ain't tired. I ain't here no bell.
Send me back on, coach.
I'm good to go, coach.
There you go.
Mate, you're a fucking strong boy over here.
Give it a smack to square it up again.
Shouldn't fall, hopefully. Right. Want me to grab a side or you got it? Wouldn't you feel more... I don't know much, but...
I couldn't even answer that, yeah.
I just like... And the problem is, because you fuckwits when we degrease half the chaser anyway, I've got so many half bottles of degreaser in the fucking shed.
Gotta burn through them, don't you?
Well, there's a bottle in there. I swear it's got like 3 sprays left.
Oh, definitely need to get that one in.
And all I remember is your dumbass fucking